Okay. So, today, this is the aftermath after unboxing. So, yesterday I put an axe. Here it is. Here's the size compared to my, hold on. Let me close that box. Before I review it, well, size compared to the homemade puppet Jeffy that my brother made. Oh, here it comes. It could be taller than Jason. Wow, look at this size. It's bigger than Jason. Except the bobblehead version. That's okay. Dang it. I dropped it on the... Huh. Nothing else on the ground. I love my Friday 13th figure. Before I unbox my Friday 13th lamp, in size compared to Bowser, they're almost same size. I apologize about I did the after unboxing accessories. Here it is for the finale. Size compared to this goblin. It's probably... okay. Wow. But you can move these legs. But you could move the arms like that. I'll show the other action figures next. Before I do my horror movie action figure collection. So, this inside this box includes these stuff. Well, that's it for the finale of the unboxing action figures. Alright. Putting it back in the box. That's mine. Pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like. If you enjoy this video, so yeah, and I'll see you YouTubers in another video. Peace, bye.